So we're going to convert 35 grams to milligrams. We're going to start by writing out what we're given, which is 35 grams. And when we do metric conversions, we're always going to use multiplication. And on the bottom, down here, are going to go the units grams. We want to cancel out grams, so they're going to go on the bottom. And on top are going to be the units that we want to factor in, which is milligrams. Now, grams, that's what we call the basic unit. The basic unit is the unit without the prefix, so milligrams is not the basic unit. So in front of the non-basic unit, or the unit with a prefix, we're always going to put a 1. In this case, the 1 is on top, but sometimes it'll be on the bottom, because sometimes the basic unit is on the bottom, other times it'll be on top. It just depends on what we're converting. On the bottom, it's going to go some power of 10, and that's what you're going to be asked to memorize in the class, 10 to the some power. In our list of conversions, we see that 1 milligram is equal to 10 to the minus 3 grams. The top and the bottom are equal to each other. 1 milligram equals 10 to the minus 3 grams. Okay, so now we can cancel grams because those are the units we want to factor out. And then we're going to have our units milligrams, so we know we've got the right answer there. Now, it's kind of hard to divide by 10 to the minus 3. So if we just move it up to the top and do it as 10 to the third, we'll be in better shape. So you can see that this is going to work out to be 35 times 10 to the third milligrams. I didn't leave myself enough room. The problem is this is not in scientific notation. We really need to have it in the form as 3.5 times some power of 10 milligrams. We only want one digit to the left of the decimal point. So in order to do that, I had to move the decimal place over to the left 1. So that made this number smaller, going from 35 to 3.5. It made it smaller by one digit. So this number is going to get bigger. It goes the opposite direction. If this number gets smaller, this number gets bigger, and it's by one digit. So the answer is 3.5 times 10 to the fourth milligrams.